What's up, YouTube, and welcome back to the channel. And today we're doing an unboxing inventory haul, and we have a lot of stuff. Got a lot. So I try to go ahead and like cut the boxes open because it's so much. It's so much that I just don't want to try to cut it and open it. So, you ready, Jordan?
Ready, Jordan?
So let's go.
Let's go.
Let's see, where do we want to start? Let's start here. So,
This one.
so this is a gallon of coconut oil. A gallon of coconut oil, and I actually got 2 of these, but I'm already using one. And I got some pink top. Squeeze tube. And then for special requests, but I ordered a lot of them because I'm actually adding them to our pre-filled. But I got the white top wine tubes. Now excuse my nails like they're raggedy. I got some white top wine tubes. And then I got bubble mailers.
Yeah, bubble mailers.
Jordan, put them scissors down. And I got bubble wrap. And this one is the self-adhesive. Okay, so I have my bubble wrap. And I use these for my small wholesale pre-fill boxes. I can actually fit the whole box in here for extra security. And then right here, y'all. Oh God, it's heavy. Oh, can you see it? This is 1,600 10-milliliter squeeze tubes. Like y'all, it was a sale. I want to say, all right, go. 1,600. I was not playing at all. No, I was not. So yeah, they are sold in 80. Yeah, I think they're sold 80 a piece. But yeah, I got 1,600. $1,600. Okay, next I got some leopard wine tube. You can see that. And these are special requests as well. So these are a special request, and if there's a certain tube that you want that you don't see on the website, you can reach out to me and I can basically get any tube you need. So yeah, that's a special request. And then I got some of these micro spoons. Yeah, I know so raggedy, you see that? These are micro spoons, and I use these for my chunky glitter. So I got those. got some organza bags, some more bubble mailers, and then I always put thank you gifts in my stuff, but I always want to change it up because I have a lot of repeating customers. That girl was true. So this time I got buttons. And they are too cute. Let's take one out. That's what it looks like. And I got these from Sticker Mule. They were on sale. It was $50 for $19. So I ended up getting 100. And then, if you haven't seen my announcement, JD Dior Collection now is an eyelash wholesaler. So, if y'all don't know, JD Dior Collection now is an eyelash wholesaler. We have 25mm eyelashes. They're real mink. And I have a lot of them. I have a lot. I'll show you the box. I'll pull them all out. These are our eyelashes. And they come, you can get a sample. My minimum quantity I think is 10. So I think it comes in 10, 25, 50, 75, and 100. So yeah, we are now an official wholesaler. And also they come with the they come with the spoolies, and they also come with the eyelash applicators, so that's included. And then we also have the eyelash pins. And these are for the to apply your eyelashes. They're an eyeliner and also adhesive. These are so pretty. And I'll come back on another video and demonstrate how they work. Y'all, it's a lot. So again, I got more squeeze tubes. And these are the pink tops, pink tops, pink tops, pink tops. I thought I opened everything. I guess not. Oh, yeah, I forgot all about this. And I'm glad I'm opening it. Y'all, I love y'all because I've really been wanting to open my stuff forever. But I was like, no, I'm going to do an unboxing. An inventory haul, so I'm going to save my stuff. But this is the Dymo label maker. And actually, it comes with white, but I think I'm gonna just get clear. But yeah, I think this is like $15, but I'm gonna use this to like label either the back of my lashes or I got another storage bin so I can like put labels on it to tell me which is which. So yeah, I forgot all about this. Y'all really thought I opened everything. I guess I did. really don't need all this stuff out water. Okay, so these are hand mixers, and I got two because I don't know which one is better. So yeah, we're gonna try out. I think I like this one because it's black. I forgot what color is it? It doesn't say. But it is a hand mixer. And I got this because I want to start making lip liquids, and I need to actually break down the powder pigments with the oil and make sure it is even. So that's why I got the hand mixers. This one says make your barista jealous, but it doesn't have any picture. I can open it. This one is silver or stainless steel. So yeah, I got two. And then I got another storage bin. Yeah, I'm not taking this out because it's big, but it is the wide one that you can actually roll, and it has 3 drawers. So yeah, that's that. Alright, y'all, he'll be coming to open the base. I can't open it. Say hey. So y'all, I had to get another 30 pounds of base. Here we go. Oh yeah, I can't hold it. Yeah, so here is my 30 pound of base. I get my base for no problem. And right now I think I paid only $378 for this bucket. Yeah, and the first time I ever bought this bucket, it was $525. I think the second through the fourth time was $420. Then it went to $415, and now it is $378. $378, y'all, just for 30 pounds. Like, I ain't mad. I think them and TKB is like going head to head on their prices, because I think TKB's base is $425. No, I think it's $415, because I remember I ordered $415. I was like, I'm going back to TKB, which I have no problem. I love no problem, but I'm like, okay, I started with TKB, I'm going back to TKB, and I ordered, and I was like, wait a minute, Deidre, go check no problems. Let me see what theirs is. Theirs was $378. Yeah, when I saw I hit that cancel button so fast, I'm gonna stick to where I'm at. $378. So y'all, that is the conclusion of my inventory unboxing. I ordered from Get Suckered. I ordered about 15 different flavors. They didn't have the big bottles, so I had to order a whole bunch of the little ones, and I don't know when they're coming in, but yeah. All right, y'all, so I almost forgot my dang on wine tubes. So I got pink wine tubes now, pink top wine tubes, silver top, and then of course my gold. So here are my pink wine tubes. It's in this box. I'll pull out a couple. Well, this is what they look like now. They're so pretty. So I got these. I got silver. Kind of like this with the silver top. So JD Dior collection now offers the silver top and the pink top. And then these are the gold top. Right here. Y'all can't get these gold. Hold on. I got more. I'll show you what they look like. Alright, y'all. So these are our gold tops. So we have silver top, silver. We have, can you focus? We have silver top, pink top, gold top, and now we're offering the white wand tubes, which is 8 milliliters. And all the other ones are 10 milliliters. So, that is all. Come and tell them bye-bye.
Bye. Bye.
So that is all for our inventory haul. And we will see y'all in the next video. Say peace. Blow me a kiss. Mwah. Say bye.
Bye.